It's your girl Raquel, and I'm back, y'all. I got my Melanin Beat box, y'all. This is December's box. As y'all know, this is a bi-monthly box. And my girl, I gotta shout you out in this video. I'm gonna be talking about you a lot lately. Brandy wants me to go ahead and unbox this box first. A lot of people want to see what the second box would look like before getting the subscription. Because like I said, it's a bi-monthly subscription. If y'all didn't see the very first one I unboxed, y'all gotta check it out. It was some nice stuff in there. So let's see what we got. This is how the box came packaged. No, I didn't get nosy and go in it without you guys. This is the Dear Sir or Ma'am. Let me read this. Dear Sir or Ma'am, keep making time for yourself until you're you again. Melanin Beat box. Okay. Alright, let's see what we got, y'all. Let's see what's in here. Melanin Poppin'. Yes. Yes. I like that sticker. Yes, I'm going to find some on my laptop. That's where that's going. Black Creative Subscription Service. They got Instagram. And this must be something that's in there. Virgin Trees. Let's see what's in this box. Let me. Ooh. Okay. The first thing I see, I gotta grab it. I got to grab it. This. What is this? Is that not nice? Look at that. Oh, it's a. Is it an eyeliner? Yes, and it's super black and it's super bougie. Y'all see that? That's what the tip looks like. Now that's too much, but I love it. I love it. Let me see, can I find the price? What does this say? It says Empress Lash Glue Pen. Is that glue? It is. It's lash glue. Now that is a bougie lash glue pen. It says it's by Empress Lash Glue Pen and it's $5. That's the regular price for it. The next thing I see in here. Oh, that is neat because I am really into silver. And it's bracelets. And I just so happen to have on green, y'all. Let's see. Bohemian Brown Girl leather bracelets. They $9. Oh, that is cute. That is so cute. It's got doves and it's got love. Look at here. Look at here. That is really pretty. Can y'all see that? I'm putting this on right now. It's green and like tannish. Let me get this on. I like this. Okay. Alright. I can't put it on. I need somebody to put it on. My arm, my hand too big. I'm too flicked. I want to put this on. Y'all wait a minute. Guys, I got it on, but not as tight as I want it because it's really loose. It could be, I want it like tight like that, but it's hard to gather it up with one hand. So I just put it on, okay? Anyway, let's see what's next. This is a palette. Sultry Notes, Choco Queen. Oh, no. What is this? See what this is. This is Heir of the Throne. That's what it says. I like that. Heir of the Throne. Because I'm reading off this thing, but apparently I'm reading the wrong stuff. Ooh, this is beautiful. Look at that. Look at the colors in there. Heir of the Throne. And I want to see who this is by. It's Aries Cosmetics. Heir of the Throne eyeshadow palette. It's $24. That is pretty. Oh, look at that brown. And the purple. They're real soft. That gold, real buttery. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, I can dig it. I can dig it. And it says this is a $24 palette. Alright, let's see. What was this I was reading initially? So far, this box, y'all, it's pretty lit. And we supporting our sisters. So I like this. Oh, some lashes. Now, I don't think I'm going to like this. You young folks out there just might like this. This says Empress Lashes. No. Glitter Saint Cosmetic Eyelashes, $10. Now these I don't think are for me. They are huge. But they are what they wearing, what these kids, well these young folks, you know this is what y'all wearing nowadays. Look at them. Those are huge. They look like spiders. I'm going to try them and I'm going to let y'all know when I wear them. Probably the next video I'm going to put them on and let y'all know. But it said these lashes, I did say that, $10. And the next thing I see here, oh, what is this? This is a lipstick bath bomb. Okay, that's what this looks like. Serene Spa Essentials Glamorous Dazzling Lipstick Bath Bomb. I gotta see what this smells like, so I gotta open it, y'all. I'll use it tonight and let you guys know who it was, but I think that's cute. Oh, that smells good. No, the glitter, now I'm not so excited about, but that's what it looks like out of the package. And it smells really good. I'm gonna wrap it up in here so I don't drop it all over, you know, the glittery parts everywhere. And that bath bomb was $8. The next thing I have here is Essential Essence by Danny Perfume Fragrance Oil. That's what it is, and it's $9.50. And it's a little rose petals in there. Oh, that's neat. This is what the oil looks like. That's what it looks like. Essence by Danny, D-A-N-Y. Let's see what it smells like. It's got a little roller ball on the tip. Oh, that smells really good. That smells really good. It says Grace Rose. It says Grace. So the name of the scent is Grace. And it has rose, jasmine, lavender fragrance, jojoba oil infused with rose petals. It relieves stress, promotes calmness with a beautiful soft smell, perfect for day and night use. Let me put some more of this on, because that smells divine. Okay, all right, I see you, Melanin Big Box. I see you. I like this box. And I'm so sorry that I'm just getting home to get it up. Y'all go to their website, melaninbeatbox.com, and see if these boxes are still available, because this box is nice. The next thing I have in here, and everything is something that I can use. Virginity Naturals. Virginity Naturals, vegan, cruelty-free liquid matte lipstick. I got on gloss but no lipstick, so let's see what's in here. Oh, that is a pretty color. That is pretty. I gotta put it on. It won't be matte because I have on lip gloss, but okay. And it smells good. I don't know if I'm smelling this or the oil. $12. The lipstick was $12, guys. And the last thing I have here, the very last thing I have in this box is a Cocoa Queen. Oh, another bath bomb. A Cocoa Queen bath bomb. That's what it says. And it's $5.85. That's huge. It says baking soda, citric acid, Epsom salt, arrowroot powder, kaolin clay, oat flour, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, fragrance oil, and polyphosphate side powder, and mica. That's what's in here. It does have mica, and that's what it looks like on the back. I can open it so you guys can see what it looks like. cannot stop smelling that oil. It smells so freaking good. This is what it looks like out of the packaging. Oh, and it smells really good. Sultry notes and aromas. Okay. All right, Melanin Bead Box. I'm digging you. I am digging you. I'm really liking this box. It's not, you know, like a lot of products that were on the sale list that didn't sell. It was, you know, a lot of stuff that I like and I can use. I'm really happy for this. I'm loving the oil. The lip is good. This is the bougiest. This is eyeliner glue. Okay, this got my Kiss one. If it holds as good as my Kiss one, it's bomb. And then the Airs palette. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the other bath bomb, the one that I wrapped up in the crayon bath bomb. I put it somewhere. And then lastly, these lashes. Wherever I put them, I'm gonna try them. They huge, but I'm gonna try them. And here's the other bath bomb. So yeah, I think this is a pretty good deal. And oh, I cannot stop smelling that oil. It smells so good. And I'm sorry guys that I couldn't get it up at the beginning of December, because this would have been December. Won't be one for January, but there will be another one for February. So if this December's box is still not available, y'all please forgive me that I'm late sharing it with you guys. But it's a bi-monthly box, so February is gonna be nice as well. Okay guys, I'm happy I'm back. Y'all get ready for me be in your face talking every day or every other day, because Yoshi can't talk back too. Alright, y'all stay blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. And then I got a lot of stuff to share with you. So even the BoxyCharm. Do y'all want to see them BoxyCharms? I know it's for January. It's gonna be a whole new year. Just let me know, okay? Alright. Talk to you guys later. Bye, y'all.